Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm going out right now and I thought of filming the entire getting ready process for you guys. Before we get started with this tutorial, I want to introduce this brand called Ilana to you guys. Now, this is a brand that's not just good for you, but also for the environment and also for our furry friends. And like I said, that these products are great for you. By that I mean that these have skincare benefits. That's how Ilana's products have been designed. So these are not just going to make you look pretty when you do your makeup, but they will actually help your skin too. This is something that I always look forward to when I'm purchasing a product. I've used 4 products from this brand and I have also tested their famous beet tint. Safe to say that I really like this brand, and I think we should show a little more love to this brand because while using these products I was so stunned. These are so good, they feel so nice on the skin, and this brand is really underrated. And also, just a little something that I wanted to talk about are these stickers. How cute are these? And they say be kind, self-love club. I'm gonna use them so much. Oh my god, just look at these are so cute. So definitely check out this brand. And now, without any further blabbering, let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting off by cleansing my face with this Bioderma micellar water, and just a nice clean base to start off everything. See how clean it looks? Then I'm using this Ilana face mask. It has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and olive squalene. It's gonna give you the softest skin ever, okay? Just keep it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off, wipe it off with water. Oh my god, it just makes your skin look amazing, and my skin felt so freaking soft. Absolutely love this, okay? Just look at the skin. Wow. Then I'm applying some, moisturizing toner from Laneige. It's winter, so you want your skin to look very, nice and plump and juicy. And then applying some eye cream because that's very important. And yeah, just massaging the eye area gently. I'm showing a little bit of skin prep because why not? And then applied a little bit of, lip balm and some face cream. This is from Embralis. Love this, one of my favorite face creams to use. Look at the skin glowing. Then I'm using this Innisfree sunscreen. It's a tone up sunscreen, so it's looking a bit whitish pinkish, but it's all gonna come together, so don't worry about it. Now for prime, I'm using this one from Nykaa, just mattifying certain areas, especially the T-zone. And then I'm using this strobe cream from Ilana. Oh my god, I love this strobe cream. I'm using it with my foundation. It's so smooth, and the glow it gives, oh my god, it just looks so natural. This was my first time using this strobe cream, and I was just so happy with the result. I mean, my skin looks so nice and dewy, and I'm blending it all out with a brush. Take your time and do this. Just look at that glow. Then I'm applying some concealer under my eyes and areas that I want to conceal, and then blending it all out with another small concealer brush. Just take your time when you do this. Then I'm applying some loose powder under my eyes because my eye area creases very easily. So just setting under my eyes, yeah. Now this is the superstar, okay? This is the beet tint. Oh my god, I applied it on my lips and my cheeks and a little bit on my nose too. The consistency is amazing. It smells so good. And guys, this looks like you are naturally flushing. It's just look at me. I was so happy with this tint. You need to try this beet tint. It's worth all the hype it gets. Oh my god, loved it. Then I'm doing my brows using this Nykaa brow product, and then taking my brush and kind of filling my brows, shaping my brows. Just what suits my face, and then setting it all in with my e.l.f. brow mascara. Then I'm taking some bronzer and just adding a little bit of depth to my face. That means, on the chin area, jawline, cheeks, and also the nose. Then I'm taking my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is from Huda Beauty. I wear it every day actually, and just in today's look I'm actually defining the brown in my eyes. That's what I do every day. So I'm applying this light brown peachy shade first all over my eyes. And then I'm taking this pink shimmery shade and applying it on the lower lash line. It just gives a very cute, youthful look. I'm not going to do a black wing, but a maroon wing, because I do want to bring out the brown in my eyes. And it looks softer, but also so freaking pretty at the same time. See, it looks gorgeous. It's like you've done something, but people really can't tell what it is. And then I'm applying some kajal. I'm actually tight lining my eyes with this MAC kajal and just curling my lashes. Then I'm gonna apply the good old Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So applying the kajal, like tight lining my eyes with it, actually will help to get that, fuller lash look. Also some on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking another superstar. This is the Luminizer from Ilana. I really wish they make one for the body too. I mean, you can use this on the body. This looks so natural and it's so smooth and it's blinding. So I loved it. Absolutely loved it. Oh my god, just look at that glow. Wow. You can just go out like this, with the tint on your lips, cheeks, and just like this. But I'm going to add a bit of lipstick because I've been loving this shade lately for the colder months. It's from Miss Claire. Yes, that's it for this makeup. Just combing my hair and yeah. I was practically getting ready with you guys and wearing my beret because when it's winter I always bring out my hats and berets and everything. And lastly, I'm just gonna apply my favorite body mist and practically taking a shower in it because that's what I do. And that's it for this tutorial. Pose. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know your video request, and don't forget to check out Ilana. And if you buy something from Ilana, do let me know, do tag me in your hauls. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.